Once again, my name is Onyinye Ude, and if today is your first time of seeing my video, then you're welcome. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a popular, delicious, tasty Nigerian street snack called akara. I've made it several times. You can use this to make your children eat beans, okay, because it's tasty and it smells so good and nutritious. Let's get started. So what I am doing today is what I call akara. Akara is a popular Nigerian street snack, okay? So we are going to wash our beans first, all right? So I'm using blender. Just crack the beans, okay? It will help while washing it. It will not take time to wash. When you crack it, don't blend it, you crack it, okay? And you see our beans now is no more black-eyed, it is white or yellowish beans. So the next step is to add water and soak it. So I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes. Don't over soak your beans or it will become flat if you are using it for akara, okay? That's for this. So our beans is soaked and I'm going to blend it. So I'm gonna add water to blend it. Don't add too much, okay? So I'm going to add some ingredients, onions and a little hot pepper. So this is our beans batter blended with fresh hot pepper, habanero pepper and red onions. Okay, this is a Nigerian beans recipe and it's very delicious and also healthy because it's beans. So now I'm going to season it, okay? We season with just salt. Don't add Maggi, all right? Mix it up properly. Look at the consistency of this batter. It's not runny, it's thick. Okay, let's fry it. Our oil is ready. Let's fry the akara. So I'm going to, it's properly fried. I need to get it out. Today we fried akara for our breakfast. You can pair this with your bread. It tastes so good. This is one of the best beans recipe you can try. Your children will not be able to resist the taste. It smells so good and it's very inviting and it's nutritious. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, share, and I will see you once again in my next video. Bye. May God bless you. Look at that. Look at that crust. That's the best part, is the crust. Bye. And may God bless you.